In this video, we are going to learn what is prompt engineering. So let's start this tutorial with an introduction to prompt engineering. So prompt engineering is the process of designing and improving prompts so that artificial intelligence systems, especially language models like ChatGPT, give better and more accurate responses. So a prompt is simply the input or instruction we give to an AI. So prompt engineering is the process of designing and improving prompts so that artificial intelligence systems or some AI tools, especially language models like ChatGPT, can give better and more accurate responses. So a prompt is simply the input or instruction that we give to an AI. But when we carefully think about how to write the input, like choosing the right words, tone, structure, and details, there we are doing prompt engineering. So prompt engineering is like talking to a very smart assistant that can do many things for you, but only if we ask it in the right way. So prompt engineering help us to ask questions and to give commands in a clear and smart way so that the AI can understand us better. Now let's see why prompt engineering is important. So AI systems do not think like humans. So they rely heavily on the way a prompt is written to understand what we want. So a small change in a prompt can lead to a big change in the result. For example, instead of saying write a story, if you say write a short story for kids in a happy tone, then the AI now has a much better idea of what you expect. So this is the main idea behind prompt engineering. That is to shape the input in such a way that the AI gives output that is useful, relevant and in high quality. So in today's world where AI is used in writing, designing, coding, education, customer support and more, prompt engineering is becoming a very valuable skill. Now let's see how prompt engineering works. So prompt engineering involves understanding how the AI models work and then adjusting your input to guide its behavior. Simple. So there are different techniques for writing prompts in which some were simple and direct, like asking a question. But other prompt engineering techniques are like more advanced, where we include examples, conditions, or step-by-step instructions. For example, let's take a prompt engineering technique called few shot prompting, where we give a few examples to AI before asking to generate something similar. Let's take another prompt engineering technique called zero shot prompting, where we ask the AI to perform a task without giving any examples. So both prompt engineering techniques have different use cases we will use for a particular problems. We will see all those techniques in our upcoming videos. So prompt engineering involves experimenting and testing different versions of a prompt to see which one works best. Now let's see what are the skills that are involved in prompt engineering. So to be good at prompt engineering, a person needs a few skills. First, they should be good at writing clearly and in a simple way. Second, they should understand how AI model thinks and respond to different types of instructions. Third, they should know how to break down a big task into smaller steps that are easy for the AI to follow. So being creative also helps because prompt engineering often involves finding new ways to ask for information or content. This is why people working in marketing, content creation, research, software development, and education are learning prompt engineering because prompt engineering helps them to get more valuable insights from AI tools. Now let's see some of the benefits and future of prompt engineering. So the main benefit of prompt engineering is that it saves times and improves the quality of the output that we get from a particular AI tool. So when the prompt is well designed, you get useful results faster with fewer mistakes. This can lead to more creative work, better decisions, and higher productivity. As AI systems become more powerful, prompt engineering will become even more important. In the future, it might be seen as a basic skill just like using a computer or writing an email. It will help people across all fields like in business, healthcare, education, and more. So, prompt engineering allows you to work less but get more detailed output in a less time. Now let's summarize what we learned in this particular video. So prompt engineering means designing and crafting prompts to get better results from the AI. So it helps to guide the AI to understand your question or task more clearly. Techniques like in prompt engineering include zero shot prompt engineering technique, one shot and few shot promptings. So good prompt engineering improves quality, it saves times and it avoids confusion. So prompt engineering is a valuable skill in today's AI powered world, and prompt engineering is used in many industries to get better outputs from the AI tools. So in the next video we are going to see why do we need prompt engineering.